how to allow or deny alarms and reminders permissions on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So you will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on special access. So after click on special access, scroll down and you will see alarm and reminder is here. So after click on alarm and reminder, so if you want to allow alarm and reminder permission, so turn on this button. So you will see alarm and reminder permission is allowed. So if you want to deny alarm and reminder permission, so turn off these buttons. So after turn off this button, you will see alarm and reminder permission is denied. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can allow or deny alarms and reminder permissions on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.